Well, off goes 7:20:107 and 7:20:584, I think it was, on the delayed 14:52 Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea from London Liverpool Street, and there's no trains out to say you join me at Chelmsford on the Great Eastern Main Line, so I've been seeing services by Greater Anglia and some freight as well. Speaking of freight, coming through now will be a freight line that service from Felixstowe North to Lawley Street freight line and terminal 66413, at least we forget. And she's not waiting around. That is on a heavy load Freightliner service from Felixstowe North to Lawley Street. There she goes down in distance for Lawley Street from Felixstowe North. Incoming now is the slowly delayed 15:02 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich, worked by 745-005. It's only running a minute late because it was following on from that delayed Clacton service, which was running about 7 minutes late. It got delayed at Stratford for some reason. I'm sure there was a reason why. Maybe there was a late running train in front of it, perhaps, but who knows. We'll catch this when she departs. Preparing for a departure out from Norwich is the 15:02 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. 745-005 is at the helm. Should be off any second now. Here she goes. With our next calling point will be Colchester, Braintree, Ipswich, Stowmarket, Diss and Norwich. I'm driving into Norwich for 4:30, I think it is, but I could be wrong. But there she goes to Norwich. About to emerge around the corner now is the 15:09 Greater Anglia service from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street. This will only be a 5-car set, worked by 7:20:124. We'll catch this on our departure for London Liverpool Street. As the 15:09 service to London Liverpool Street prepares for departure, incoming now is the 15:11 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street, worked by 7:20:562. And so I think 7:20:124 is about to make a departure out for London Liverpool Street. By the looks of it, but I could be mistaken now. But there's 7:20. Yep, there she goes. There's 7:20:562 over there anyway as well. Nice depot whistle from the driver, thank you very much. With our next calling point will be Chelmsford, Romford, Stratford and London Liverpool Street. There she goes off in the distance for London Liverpool Street. About to head off now is the 15:11 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street, worked by 720-562.
Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here.
And as that departs, we also find ourselves actually I don't know what's passing now until it comes down the corner. And it's a Greater Anglia 720. I don't know where she's off to, but I presume she's off to Ilford EMUD. But 720-121. 720-121's on the front. With a rear set with the interlock lights on from 720-541 for some reason. That is just confusing. And one of her headlights on the rear of that set is on, but the others are with a tail light. That makes no complete sense, I should say. But I'll find out where service is doing. I presume it's from Colchester Carriage Sidings or from Clacton. I can't think of anywhere else it would be from, but we'll find out in the next clip. Incoming now is the 1519 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Norwich. Worked by 745-004. We'll catch this on our departure. Incoming now is the 1521 Greater Anglia service to Braintree. 720-540. At the front. I'm not sure if I'll be able to catch the rear, but I can try. It's 720-558. That's, I think, heading off now as well. Yep, it's off now. It's the slightly delayed 1519 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Norwich. 745-004. And about those previous 720s that passed, there is an on-real-time trains of where it was going to, so I'm still trying to find out where it was off to. This is a rather packed service considering it's coming from Norwich. There's barely any seats left on this service, can you believe? Considering it's a 12 car as well. The next stop calling point will be Stratford. Before you see that service return when she heads back from Norwich, but I can't really be sure on that one. Off she goes down in distance for London Liverpool Street though. Now the pine is 720-558 and our classmate on the 1522 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Braintree. Calling out Whittam, White Notley, Crescent, Braintree, Freeport and Braintree. There she goes, in the distance. Coming in now is the 1525 Greater Anglia service from Braintree to London Liverpool Street. 720-110 at the front. We'll catch her at the rear set when she departs out. Now the pine is the 1525 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Braintree. 720-110, I should say. And 720-542 brings up the rear. Next stop for that service will be Ingatestone, I do suspect. Here she goes. Okay, about to come round the corner now. Should be a light running 66 running from Ipswich holding sidings to Peterborough LIP. 66 109 T-Sport Express. I saw this the other day at Ipswich. How convenient. It's the same loco that's doing driver trial runs between Peterborough and Ipswich. How convenient. That's 2 days this week I've seen it now. That is just so surprise. I thought it would be a different loco, but there you go. Let's see, goes to Peterborough. Coming through now is 755415 and 755408. Another unit, pair of units I should say, that I've seen twice this week. I saw that at Norwich and Ipswich. Now I've seen it here at Chelmsford. What a surprise. Not a 12 car 745 to Norwich this time. That's surprising. And about those 720s that I mentioned was making a ECS run. Apparently that was making a ECS run from Witham to Ilford EMUD. So, and those pair of 720s that I said was coming from Braintree to London Liverpool Street was actually cancelled between Braintree and Witham due to a problem with the traction equipment. So there must be a problem with that pair of Greater Anglia 720s. But there goes that pair of Greater Anglia 755s to Norwich. Probably won't see them return back to London Liverpool Street, but who knows. There she goes. Coming in now is the 1539 Greater Anglia says from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street. This is only a singular pair of Greater Anglia 720s this time. Which is 720 501. We'll catch this out, next to the parts. Now to Pine is 720 501. On the 1539, Greater Anglia says from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street. Coronet, Shenfield, Stratford and London Liverpool Street. I think it gets into London Liverpool Street at 4:15 if I'm not mistaken, but who knows. Well, she goes to London Liverpool Street. Okay, about to come flying through now will be a Greater Anglia service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. 745 point will be London Liverpool Street. As incoming now is the delayed 1534 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Ipswich, worked by a singular pair of 720s, worked by 720 564. And the reason why this service is delayed is because there's a points failure in the Ilford area. So most of the trains going through from London to Colchester or so will be affected. Don't know how long the delays will be lasting for, but I suspect it will be until 5 o'clock or 7, but who knows. We'll catch that service when she departs. Now the Pine is the delayed 1534 Greater Anglia service to Ipswich from London Liverpool Street, 720 562. As you can hear over the PA, the 1552 Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea is delayed as well. and it's delayed by approximately 16 minutes. That's how bad of a delay it is. So I probably won't get here until at least 4 o'clock or after 4 o'clock, but who knows. There she goes. So the next calling point for that service will be Hatfield Peverel, Brentwood and Colchester, Markstay, Colchester, Braintree and finally Ipswich. Incoming now is the 1556 Greater Anglia service from Clacton-on-Sea to London Liverpool Street, led by 720 585. We'll catch her at the rear set when she departs, but considering she's arrived at 4 minutes early, it doesn't surprise me. So this service will be waiting here for quite a while. We'll catch her at the rear set when she departs. Now departing is the 1556 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Clacton-on-Sea, 720 585. On the rear of that set is 720 513. Calling at Ingatestone, Chelmsford, Brentwood, Stratford and London Liverpool Street. This goes down in distance for London Liverpool Street from Clacton. Incoming now is the delayed 1552 Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea, 720 568. And it's a rather packed Greater Anglia service, considering it's only a 5 car to Clacton. And I thought that service would usually be a 10 car to Clacton from London, but there you go. We'll see that service depart when she goes out. Now departing is the delayed 1552 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Clacton-on-Sea, 720 568. Couldn't remember the numbers for a second there. I reckon that service will have no seats at all, or barely any, until at least Colchester or Thorpe Soaken. Because why would someone put a 5 car service that's going Clacton from London in this turn hour? What are they thinking? But that's Greater Anglia for you. But off she goes to Clacton-on-Sea from London Liverpool Street. Incoming now is the delayed 1551, I think. Greater Anglia service to Colchester from Ingatestone, 720 523. And bringing with it is 720 531. As I think also coming in now is the 1608 Greater Anglia service from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street. Here she comes. Probably good for a screenshot opportunity for both these units next to each other, as they'll both be forming 2 10-car services next to each other. So on the front of the Liverpool Street service is 720 506. We'll catch her at the rear when she heads out for London Liverpool Street. Now departing is the 1608 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street, 720 506. With a nice two-tone from the driver as well, thank you very much. With 720 120 bringing up the rear. As I think see soon to come around the corner should be the 15:59 service. Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich, I would imagine. But I could be wrong. But we'll see that service come in when she arrives eventually. Oh, other than now is the delayed 15:59 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street, worked by 745-101. And this service is very packed as well. And apparently this service will be calling at Chelmsford, Colchester, Braintree, Ipswich, Stowmarket, Ingatestone and Norwich. What am I saying? Greater Anglia services that go to Norwich from London will also be calling at Stratford as well. But in rush hour could be different. But we'll catch this service as she departs, as this service is running about 15 minutes late, can you believe? But we'll see the service go out when she knows that on her departure. After a short time spending time in the platform, we now find ourselves 745-101 heading back out on the delayed 15:59 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Next stop for that service will be Colchester. There she goes down in the distance. Incoming now is the 16:26 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Braintree. (7:20) We'll catch the way of this set when she heads out for London Liverpool Street. Now departing is the 16:26 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Braintree, 7:25 and its classmate. Bringing with it is 7:20. 5:40. Now normally the 16:21 is the first one I see before this one, but apparently the 16:21 service has been cancelled. Not sure why, but it's been cancelled. Probably to do it being like, but who knows. Oh, hello. We now find ourselves the delayed 16:21, I think it is. Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town, led by 7:20-557. We'll catch that when she departs. About to depart now is the delayed 16:10 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town, 7:20-557. There she goes, heading for Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street. Okay, passing through now is 7:20-536. I'm sure where that is going, but I presume it's coming from Ilford EMUD, but I'll try to find out where she's going to and from. There she goes.
Greater Anglia service.
Okay, as the platform I'm standing on starts to get very busy. Incoming now is the 1640 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Ipswich. Worked by 720 581. We'll catch you at the rear set of this unit when she departs. Okay, just passing out in the ordinary, 720 122, heading off to Braintree from London Liverpool Street. I'm not sure why she just passed there, but who knows. Maybe she was passing just to make up some time. As that which is passed, we now find ourselves 720 581 and our classmate working the 1640 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. And 720 586. The next calling point for that service should be Chelmsford, which goes down distance for London Liverpool Street. Passing through now is a Greater Anglia service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. Worked by 745 002. And I thought that train was about to blow its horn then, because as it was coming around the curve, a woman was over the yellow line when she wasn't supposed to, but that train didn't, but I thought it was supposed to when it passed the stations, but who knows. There she goes, running about a few minutes late to London Liverpool Street from Norwich. Okay, running about half an hour late is a Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Worked by 745 003. Going at Colchester, Braintree, Ipswich, and Norwich. She goes, and about 26 minutes or so running late due to a points failure in the Ilford area. Off she goes. Incoming now is the 1656 Greater Anglia service from Clacton-on-Sea to London Liverpool Street, I think. Worked by 720 584. Nice wave from the driver and a thumbs up, thank you very much. We'll catch you at the rear of this service when she departs. Now departing is the 1656 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Clacton-on-Sea, 720 584. With a nice time from the driver, thank you very much. And on the way of this service to London Liverpool Street is 720 107. The next calling point is Ingatestone. There she goes. Incoming now is the delayed 1635 Greater Anglia service to Ipswich. Worked by 720 124. And just before this train turns up, for some reason over the PA it said The train now boarding platform 2 is the 1702 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town. How is that possible when the train's not even in the platform? I need that service over there. Makes no complete sense, but that's Greater Anglia for you. We'll catch this service heading out for Ipswich and she departs on her departure. Now the time is the delayed 16:35 Greater Anglia service to Ipswich from London Liverpool Street, 7:20 124, and it keeps saying over the PA that platform 2 is the 1702 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town, but I don't see any train on platform 2 going to Colchester Town. Only that says that does depart for Ipswich, unless there's a train outside the platform waiting to come in and turn around for Colchester Town, and I can't think of any reason why it keeps saying the 1702 to Colchester Town, but who knows. There goes that service off to Ipswich anyway. Okay, we now find a Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town from London Liverpool Street, which is 7:25:01, which is suddenly passing. Okay, I think the PA's messed up because this is the 1702 to Colchester Town, but why did it say it was passing? Please answer that question for me, please. We'll catch it depart when it goes out for Colchester Town. Okay, our final train of the day is the 1702 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town with 7:20:501 at the helm. As that service continues onwards to Colchester Town, I shall leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked what you've seen here at Chelmsford, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any recommendations of stations you want me to do in the comments below, as I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. I haven't been to Chelmsford for quite a while. Not a good visit I was planning on having when I was here, especially with delays occurring, with delays, cancellations, you name it. But I can't do anything about it. My next station will probably be somewhere on the East Coast main line, perhaps. I'm unsure, but after this video has been published, it'll be in the description below. So from me here at the very sunny Chelmsford, I'll see you all later. Take care guys, and